everyone. In this video, we will see the evolution of C language and its history. C is a general purpose programming language. So this means it is designed to be used for a wide variety of tasks, not just specific ones. You can use C to write software for anything from operating systems to video games. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. Dennis Ritchie, a brilliant computer scientist, created the C language while working at Bell Laboratories. And this was a significant milestone in the history of programming languages. Principles taken from BCPL and CPL. So C was not created in a vacuum. It has borrowed ideas from earlier languages like BCPL and CPL. This shows how programming languages evolve and build upon each other. Structured programming language. So C is known for its structured approach, meaning it encourages breaking code into smaller, manageable functions. This makes code easier to understand, modify, and debug. C program is a collection of functions supported by C library. So C program is essentially a collection of individual functions that work together. These functions can be your own custom code or ones you borrow from the C library, which provides the pre-written functions for common tasks. Okay. And next, so this image which provides a timeline of significant milestones in the evolution of C programming language. So this highlights the key developments from its inception into the standardization process. In 1960, ALGOL, the foundation for many modern programming languages, including C, was laid the development of ALGOL. And 1967, BCPL, a simplified version of ALGOL, BCPL introduced concepts that influenced the C's design. And in 1970, developed by Ken Thompson, B was a precursor to C, serving as a stepping stone in its development. 1972, traditional C, the birth of C language by Dennis Ritchie, marked a significant milestone in programming history. And in 1978, K and RC, the publication of the C programming language by Kenyon and Ritchie, standardized the language and popularized its use. In 1989, it is an ANSI C, the American National Standards Institute, formalized the C language, ensuring consistency and compatibility across different implementations. In 1990, ANSI or ISO-C, the International Organization for Standardization, adopted the ANSI C standard, solidifying its global recognition. And in 1999, it's a C99, a major revision of the C standard, introduced new features and libraries, expanding the language's capabilities. So this timeline which demonstrates the gradual evolution of C, building upon the strengths of previous languages and incorporating refinements over time. It showcases the collaborative efforts of various individuals and organizations in shaping the language that we know today. And here this etymology of the name C and its lineage from earlier programming languages. That is why the name C was given. So first is C traces its roots back to BCPL and CPL, with B serving as a direct predecessor. And BCPL and CPL, these languages laid the groundwork for C's development, providing foundational concepts and structures. BCPL creation. So BCPL emerged in 1967 as a simplified version of CPL, aiming for efficiency and practicality. So that is then the influence of C. So many of C's features and principles were inherited from the B language, hence its name C, suggesting the next step in the evolutionary chain. Okay. Next, we'll see the characteristics of C. So it is a low-level language support. C allows for direct interaction with hardware, making it suitable for system-level programming. And it is a structured programming. C promotes organized and modular code design through functions and control flow structures. And then third is the extensive use of functions. So C programs are built around functions, making code reusable and maintainable. And fourth characteristic is efficient use of pointers. So C effectively utilizes pointers for memory management and flexible data manipulation. Compactness. So C code is often concise and efficient, leading to smaller and faster programs. Program portability. So C code can be compiled and run on different platforms with minimal changes. And then last is loose typing. So C allows for implicit type conversions, which can be both an advantage and a source of potential errors. So these characteristics which contribute to C's versatility, efficiency, and popularity in various software development domains. So we'll see the advantages of C language. So it is a compiler based. So C programs are compiled into machine code, resulting in faster execution compared to interpreted languages. E and fast programming. C syntax is relatively straightforward, allowing for quick development. And next is powerful and efficient. C offers direct hardware manipulation and optimized code generation, leading to efficient programs. Then it is portable. C programs can be compiled and run on different platforms with minimal changes. And it has a graphics support. While it is not the primary strength of C, but it can be used for graphics programming with libraries like OpenGL. Then rich operator set. That is, C supports a wide range of operators, providing flexibility and expressiveness. And it has a data structure implementation. C is well suited for implementing complex data structures due to its memory management capabilities. Okay, so overall C is a versatile language which offers a balance of performance, efficiency, and control, making it a valuable tool for programmers in various fields. So disadvantages of C. It's not a strongly typed language. C allows for implicit type conversions which can lead to potential errors and make code less readable. Use of same operator for multiple purposes. Some operators in C can have different meanings depending on the context. Okay, so which can sometimes be confusing. And it is not object oriented. C is a procedural language and does not support object oriented programming concepts like classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. So these disadvantages can be considered when choosing C for a project and should be weighed against its advantages. Okay. So that is all. Thank you.